here we're going to draw a lily, a stargazer lily. So your center is going to be right about here. So start coming out like this. You're going to draw like that. Okay. The next one, I'm going to draw the pollen on the anthers, just like that. It's a little bit thicker at the bottom, so you can draw those like that. And then this one's going to be tucked behind this. And then one curling this way. And one here. Good. Now the petals kind of have a little, they almost look like hearts. Make that continue down into there. And then they're going to kind of come out here. Put a few little wiggles in the lines. And then out to a point. And I like to start from the other side as well. And a few little wiggles and come to that point. And do a few little lines. And put a few dots. There, okay? Now we're going to do the other three and then fill the other petals in. So the next one's going to start here, go out, curl, bumpity bump, right off the page. And then that same kind of thickness, so the other side's going to be about right there. So in off the page it comes, bumpity bumpity, and then it's going to hit that one, tuck in behind here. It's a little bit tricky, but you can do it. Put a few lines there, add a few dots. Okay. The next one is going to start here and go off this side. So here it comes, a few ripples here. It's not quite off the page, so it'll still be that thickness. And down to a point. And then let's do a few flicks, flick, flick, and some more dots. Just try to keep them random, because there's no pattern there. You just want it similar to the other ones. Okay? Next we're going, oh, do you see how there's a bump in here? You're going to do that bump in here. Makes it look more realistic. Good. Now for the other three petals that are going to be kind of like a triangle. This one comes off like this. Oh, these are really bumpy. And then curves off like this. Great. And now, like that. These are going to still be the same kind of thickness here, but they're going to curve a lot more. Bumpity bumpity, and then off. And the centers are quite pink. And then the edges are white, so if you wanted to add color, that's the right colors. I'm going to add some shadows under here to make sure that it looks like these petals are above this petal. A little shadow in there. And then the last one is over here. And some lines here. And some shadows there. There we go. Okay, what else? I think just a few more dots here. I sometimes keep it to a squiggle rather than just a dot to make it more interesting. These are going to have some more on these. These need some dots and some flicks. Good, there's the beginning of your stargazer. We'll do just a few, a stem over here, and the start of a new bud. And then maybe just some of the leaves. They have long, thin leaves as well. Let's have the stem continue, just to make it more interesting. Do a leaf off there. And a leaf off there. We'll just continue that right off the page. And then a few leaves behind this one. Make sure they're thin so they don't look like an extra petal. And add some shadow there. A nice thin leaf there. Good, and we're done the stargazer. Thanks for watching.